Best 1.5 ton AC. Number 5. Havells Lloyd 1.5 ton 3-star Windows AC. Approx price 26,999 rupees. Lloyd Windows AC with non-inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton, suitable for medium size room up to 150 square feet. Energy rating 3 star. Annual energy consumption 1215.35. Resale value 3.03. 100% inner grooved copper tubes. R32 refrigerant. Dimensions 71 x 66 x 43 cm. Having 49 kg net weight. Warranty 1 year on the product and 5 years on the compressor. Number 4. Amazon Basics 1.5 ton 3-star inverter split AC. Approx price 28,990 rupees. Split 1.5 ton air conditioner with inverter compressor. Suitable for medium sized room 180 square feet. 3-star B rating with power saving mode. 100% copper condenser with extended lifespan. 4-stage filtration system with micro dust antibacterial filters. Environment friendly R32 refrigerant. Warranty 1 year product and 5 years on compressor. Number 3. LG 1.5 ton 5-star AI dual inverter split AC. Approx price 46,490 rupees. Split AC with inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton, suitable for medium sized rooms. 111 to 150 square feet. Energy rating 5 star. Best in class efficiency. Annual energy consumption 685.26 units per year. SR value 5.2. Copper with ocean black protection. Manufacturer warranty 1 year on product, 5 years on PCB and 10 years on compressor with gas charging. Number 2. Whirlpool 1.5 ton 5-star inverter split AC. Approx price 36,390 rupees. Split AC with inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton. Suitable for medium sized rooms. 111 to 150 square feet. Energy rating 5 star. Annual energy consumption 826 units. SR value 4.73. Copper condenser coil. Refrigerant gas R32. Warranty 1 year on product, 1 year on condenser, 5 years on compressor. Number 1. Panasonic 1.5 ton 5-star Wi-Fi twin cool inverter split air conditioner. Approx price 44,490 rupees. Wi-Fi split AC with twin cool inverter compressor. Capacity 1.5 ton. Suitable for medium sized rooms. 121 to 180 square feet. Energy star rating 5. Annual power consumption 840.75 kW. Copper condenser coil with shielded blue technology. Warranty 1 year comprehensive. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.